Good afternoon, YouTube, and welcome back to Fat Cat Collections. And today, I just want to do a quick update video for those of you who've been following me for a while, whether it be for watches or cars or smart home tech. You guys know I always come back and review products at a later date to let you guys know, and I generally do it, there's no time frame, but I generally do it after I start to develop, if I develop an issue with something. As you guys know, a lot of companies sent me a lot of smart home tech over the last couple of years. A lot of watches come my way, and I always like to come back and let you guys know if I've had an issue. I'll do my original review. I'll tell you guys what my experience is setting it up, or you know, what I think about the product. And then if I have any kind of issues, I will always come back and let you guys know in the event that you're looking to make a purchase. And so this is the device right here, and this is one of Flux company's LED smart bulbs. My original review of this watch was that the construction was nice, the quality felt good on the watch, and you know, I've been using these for, I'd probably say, close to a year now. And in the last, maybe not a year, maybe a little less than a year, in the last, I'd say 6 to 8 months, I started to notice an issue with these bulbs. And so, of all the bulbs I have, whether it be the Magic bulb, the LOHAS bulbs, the Singlet, the LifeX bulbs, all these different brands I've shared with you guys, I do have a gripe with this company and this bulb. Now they sent me their LED strip kits, which I've used around the house. I used it in the backyard on my outdoor TV. That seems to be working fine, no issues. But their bulbs seem to have a little bit of an issue, and the issue I'm having is not as far as whether it works or not. You can see I have one on the lamp right there that's working. This one works fine, with the exception of sometimes these things randomly forget their Wi-Fi credentials. It's the only bulb, or only smart bulb, or really the only device I have in the house that I have to constantly re-add to the Magic Home app. You can use the Flux app as well. I happen to use the Magic Home app. But for whatever reason or another, every month or so, or I'd probably say it's getting more frequent, the lights just suddenly will change color back to like just default warm incandescent, you know, white, and I have to re-add them. It's like they somehow forget their Wi-Fi credentials and they start broadcasting. It's like they reset themselves, which doesn't make any sense. It's the only, and it's not because of a power failure, nothing like that. For whatever reason or another, these light bulbs just somehow, both at the same time, forget their Wi-Fi credentials. I don't know if there's something to design these bulbs to time out, so you have to re-add them, which I think if they added something like that, that's absolutely stupid. I don't think that there's any kind of update that needs to be done on these, because last I checked, it was the most current firmware. Again, for whatever reason, it happened again last night. The bulbs just forget their Wi-Fi credentials. You have to go back into the app, re-add them, rename them. And again, it doesn't take that long, but it's the point that why is it doing it? And that's something, and again, if it was something that happens across the whole network with different bulbs, it only happens with these for whatever reason. So just want to let you guys know, I don't recommend buying the Flux LED bulbs. I think there are better options, and I hate saying that. I feel bad saying that. And I risk, naturally, you know, you always want to, when you get a product from a company, always give it the best rating, because, you know, if you bash a brand, you know, they may not send you one for free. And it is cool. Who doesn't like free stuff? I mean, I'd be a liar if I told you that I don't like getting free stuff from manufacturers to share on my channel. And I get a lot of it. But on that flip side, I always have to be transparent and honest with you guys. I'm not going to have you guys buy something that I've had an issue with. So, you know, it's just the unfortunate part of being a YouTube influencer and a YouTube reviewer, is that sometimes you're going to get a great product. Like when I got the Ice Genie, right off the bat, that was just something that did not work properly. And if this was a bulb that I got right off the bat, did not work properly, that would have been the initial review. The initial review, everything was fine, and they still work, don't get me wrong, but for whatever reason, the ones in the LOHAS ones don't do it. The Magic Light, the actual Magic Light bulb doesn't do it. What do I got over here? I think I have LOHAS and the light bulbs in front of me. The LifeX bulbs sure as heck don't do it. And, you know, it's just unfortunate, but this is it. I mean, the construction quality is great. Like, it's like ceramic. It feels really strong, very solid, as opposed to some of the other ones that are made of plastic. I mean, they look good, but, you know, forgetting the Wi-Fi credentials, I don't know why it does that. And I could only, again, if it was just one bulb, I'd blame it on just one bulb, or both of them do it at the same time. So if you guys have any ideas on what that might be, let me know. But as far as right now, I have to give this one a thumbs down, because nothing's more annoying than having to constantly re-add this to my network And again, it doesn't happen every day, but it just shouldn't do it at all. So all right guys, let me know what you think. Let me know if you have this product and you've had similar problems, and if you have a solution. Other than that though, I still stand by for the best LED smart bulb out there. I still stand by LifeX again, they are expensive. For the I think comparable bulb for performance, just not quite as bright for lumens, I still stand behind the Lohas bulbs. They're like 3 for $45. They always work. The whites are pretty decent with them. I like those. They're cost effective, and the lumens are better than a lot of the other entry level bulbs out there. So all right guys, thanks for watching. Just wanted to give you guys an update like I promised I will always do. And you guys have a great evening, or day actually, evening depending on where you're at, and take care.